So my name is Paloma. I go by Tis Paloma on social media, and I am a fashion and beauty creative. And today I wanna kind of take you guys with me on my hair journey. So in the spirit of Valentine's Day, I thought this would be perfect. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys a piece that I made off of my rack. It's not on the rack because I want to surprise you. And I'm also going to be dyeing my hair using these two products. So we are going red aesthetic, honey. We're going full on red, just different shades, tones of red. I'm going to be doing half my hair with the Inecto. So this is Inecto conditioning hair color. So it's going to be conditioning my hair while it colors it. Love it! This is a 2-in-1. It's made from watermelon, peach, and plum. And yeah, fruity fragrances. I don't know if you can see. Okay, the second product is my black chick. Do you guys say black chick or black chic? I would say black chic, honey, because. And this has a free brush inside, honey, and it's got some coconut oil in it. I'm gonna do the top half with the Inecto and then the bottom half with the black chic mega red. I'm gonna do the bottom half with the black chic mega red. So my hair has been doing its own thing as of late. Ooh, it's been locking. But then it also kind of shrunk from locking itself. So what we are gonna do for the purpose of this hairstyle, which is a sleek, slick down back and hair, I'm gonna detangle my hair. I'm gonna start off by using my Black Caster Miracle Detangling Mask. So this is by African Pride. This is my first time using this product. It smells good. It smells really, really good. Oh, it's got coconut water and it's got black castor oil. I love coconut water and black castor oil. And I'm gonna start off by spritzing my hair with rose water. So it's just normal rose water from Spice Emporium. You can usually find these at Spa. And I just put it in a spritz bottle. Oh, I spilled some. Guys, we don't waste, please. If you spill, I'm gonna scrape it up, okay? Those are products, honey. It's like $2 on my mat. So I'm gonna finger detangle my hair as well as kind of use a comb. So what I do is I just finger rake through each coil, just detangling, getting those knots out patiently. I thought this black mask was gonna feel more like a conditioner texture vibe, but it feels more shampoo-y than conditioner-y. Like the texture, the feeling on the hair. Now I feel confident enough to get my wire tooth comb so I can start doing this. So I'm just stretching the hair literally. So now I'm gonna go rinse my hair out. Okay, I'm back from rinsing my hair and I used cold water. Fun fact, cold water locks in the moisture. I used my sleeping top. It's like a satin based fabric. So that's very good for the hair because it doesn't pull the hair, it doesn't frizz it or friction or any of that bad stuff. So I'm only gonna apply the black chic one maybe like 30 minutes before the whole process 45 minutes before the whole process of me washing out. Okay, I'm gonna use the brush on my edges. Ooh, this is so exciting, P. This is not my first time coloring my hair. This is like the 11th time. And it's everywhere, it's all over my hands. So use gloves even when you open the product. Okay, so I am, basically done. And in the spirit of love and all that, I have this bonnet that I'm going to cover my hair with. It's my mom's. I pretty much figured she loves me, so it's okay to use it. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit now for like an hour. You just clean off my forehead. So it's been an hour. We're just gonna go in with it in this bottom half of the hair. I'm ready to be done with the style and see everything. And now I'm gonna go ahead, put my bonnet back on and wait 45 minutes. Okay, you guys, so I have left this on for like 45 minutes. It's really warm in here. Ooh. Too bad, not too bad. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and just wash all this color out. I'm gonna use my Dove conditioner as a co-wash again and make sure all the colors out. Okay, you guys, so I am back and I just rinsed my hair and I used the Dove conditioner. Oh my word. Now what I'm about to do is my own version of the lock method. T's and C's applies because this is the botched version, y'all. Instead of using leave-in conditioner, I use my Native Child Milk and Honey Moisture Cream. So I'm gonna, there's not a lot left, but there's enough for this episode, y'all, so don't worry, honey. I'm just gonna work that through my hair. My hair is really soft. Feels the same texture wise all around. And then I'm gonna go in with an oil. So I'm gonna use my Black Castor Miracle Oil. I like the Castor vibes, so I'm just gonna squirt a whole lot into the scalp. Make sure I really saturate my scalp with oil. Ooh, I can feel it. Just massage it in. Massage the oils in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply my Black Castor Miracle Moisture Butter. It's a prep and leave-in moisture butter. I really just want to lock the moisture in after using, you know, a permanent hair color, especially on the back of the hair. Also because my hair was color treated before I used the red, you know. I'm patting and like working it through without washing my hair. Okay, now after that, I'm gonna use some Bone Straight. This is just gonna help me when I am blow drying my hair with the diffuser. Before I apply any gel to my hair and start slicking, I am gonna dry it out a bit, and I'm gonna use the Philips dryer, honey. This is the perfect Valentine's Day gift for you to buy for yourself, for your sister, if you're a man, for your wife, for your side chick. It's got a diffuser and it's got a nozzle. I've been speaking about it to everyone and anyone, and somebody who loves me chat was like, I heard you, boo. I'm ready to start gelling, you guys. I'm ready to start slicking and laying. What I'm using today is Salon Pro Moroccan Argan Maximum Hold Gel. Yeah, I'm just gonna start slicking. I'm gonna use my hair tie to gather it all on top of my head. Yes, honey, we want it snatched, laid, gathered, fetched. What I'm gonna do now is just set the hair. I'm gonna set it with some heat and a bonnet dryer. But first I'm gonna wrap it with my cloth. Don't at me, it is spandex vibes, but and then you just attach it, and high heat, honey. Okay, high heat is a bit dangerous. So I'm gonna keep alternating and cooling. Be warned. So there's this little function here. It's like a drop. This function, when you turn it on the dryer, it works with your hair to stop your hair from overheating, to stop it from, you know, drying out during like sessions like this. But I do want to play with my edges a bit, so I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued as edge control and do a little, you know, creative swoops. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use leftover hairpiece that I have from a style. The hairpiece is from Daunting. This is the color. Yeah, I'm going to make a ponytail. You know what? This doesn't match my hair, but it blends well, so I'm not even pressed, honey. So I'm gonna braid up this little poof so that I can twist the fiber onto it and make it a pondo. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna tie this, because honey, you don't want no funny movements. And then I'm gonna take some more hairpiece and I'm just gonna wrap it around here. And now what I'm gonna do is I've got some gold elastic left over from when I last had braids. So I'm gonna use that as deco, as well as to make sure that I've really secured this. I'm gonna go in now with my got-to-be glue blasting spray because I'm seeing flyaways and I need everything to snatch on up. Okay, you guys, and that's it for this look. Okay, so I'm gonna go get ready, put on the outfit that I promised to show you guys, and I'll be back with you. Barbie in Ferrari. Like I mentioned before, you guys, my name is Tis Paloma. I am a fashion and beauty creative. I sculpt faces, honey. I create looks, baby. Architecture of the body. Yes. Let me give you a view of the outfit. I had so much fun doing this look, creating this outfit, putting on this makeup and beating this face, honey, with a natural. I woke up like this. Soft glow for this Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching me. I had a blast with you guys. So connect with me, find me on social media, Tis Paloma. Let me know how you feel about this look. Will you be the next person to rock the genie in the bottle?